Yes, happy morning, my dear students. Again, welcome to the Active Maths. Now, what I am going to take today, the questions from exercise 6.3. Let us see and enjoy the mathematics. First, I am taking question number 3 of exercise 6.3. See, the diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium AB is parallel to DC. Okay, you have to show that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. This is the question. But what is given to you, let us see. Okay, just enjoy the subject. ABCD is a trapezium in which AC and BD are diagonals. What you have to show? OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. This is the question number 3 of your exercise 6.3. I hope that in my previous lecture all the questions are clear to you. Now see, ABCD is a trapezium in which AC and BD are the two diagonals. You have to show that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. By the concept of similarity, you have to show that this OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. This is a very good question. Today I am going to discuss the 4 questions. They are all very important questions. Let us see. Now in triangle AOB, and triangle DOC, I am just taking these two triangles. So in triangles AOB and triangle DOC. In triangle AOB and triangle DOC, say this number is 1, angle 1, and this is angle 2. So you can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because AB and CD or AB and DC are two parallel lines and a transversal meets them. It means this angle is equal to this angle. These are the alternate angles, alternate interior angles. And angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. It means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. It means these two triangles are similar by the property A similarity. Or you can say one more thing, this angle is also angle is equal to this angle. These are also the alternate angles. Ultimately you can say both the triangles are similar by the property A similarity. It means triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC by A similarity. It means as soon as you prove that the two triangles are similar, it means the sides are in the proportion. And if sides are in proportion, it means you can write OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Once you have proved that the two triangles are similar, then you can write OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. This is question number 3. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is this is question number 4. What is given to you? QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given to you. To prove that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, let us see how to do this question. You have to show that first what is given to you. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. This is given to you. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is also given. And you have to show that, to prove that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, let us see now proof. See, angle 1 again I want to tell you, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. This is given to you. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is also given. To prove that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Triangle TQR. Let us see. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 आपस में इक्वल गिवन है. If angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given, it means you know this property, side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. Side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. It means if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Why? Because side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. Okay. Now see, in place of PR, you can put here PQ. So let us see here. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, this PR and this PR. So PR is equal to PQ. So here you can put here PQ because PR is equal to PQ. So in place of PR you can put here PQ. Okay, now let us see. QR upon QS. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PQ. ये हो गया. And this upon this is equal to this upon this. And angle 1 is equal to angle 1. Common angle हो गया. Angle 1 is equal to angle 1. Common angle. It means triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. The triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Clear? Again I want to tell you, this is given to you. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. To prove that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given to you. And you know that side opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. It means 1 and 2 are equal. Their side opposite to them is PQ is equal to PR. The PQ is equal to PR. It means in place of PR, you can put here PQ. So you will get QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PQ. And angle 1 is equal to angle 1 common angle. It means triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by which property? A similarity by side angle side, because sides are in the proportion and angle are equal. This is question number 4. I hope this is clear to you. Next question number 5. Question 5 is PQR is a triangle PQR is a triangle and AS and T are the points on PR. Angle P is equal to angle RTS, angle P is equal to angle RTS. This is given to you. You have to show that to prove that a triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Let us see. This angle is equal to this angle. So in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, see again I want to tell you, angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS given to you. To prove that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. See, proof. See, in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, in triangle RTS, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle P is equal to angle RTS, and which triangle you are taking? Triangle RTS. RTS this triangle and angle triangle RPQ. RPQ. This angle is also common. It means angle R is equal to angle R. Common angle. It means you can say triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. By which property? By asymmetry. So you can write triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. By which property? By angle similarity. By angle similarity, both the triangles are similar. This is question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACD. You have to show that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Let us see. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. This is given to you. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ABE. ABE. This is triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. ACD. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Once the two triangles are congruent given to you, it means their all parts are equal. And what you have to show? Triangle ADE is similar. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Let us see. Now given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, and you have to show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, once you know triangle ABE is similar to triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, it means their all parts are equal. It means AB is equal to AE. AB AD is equal to AE because the triangles are congruent. It means AD is equal to AE. So you can write AD upon AE is equal to 1. ये फर्स्ट हो गया. Okay, now as you already know triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, so you can write also AB equal to AC. AB is equal to AC because triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. It means AB and AC are also equal. Because if the two triangles are congruent, then all parts are equal. So you can write AB is equal to AC. So you can have AB upon AC is equal to 1. इसको नंबर 2 दे दो. AB upon AC is equal to 1. तो ये भी 1 है, ये भी 1 है, तो ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल हो गए. यानी AD upon AE is equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC is equal to 1 and AD upon AE is equal to 1. Therefore, you can write AD upon AE is equal to AB upon AC. Okay? It means you can write AD upon AB is equal to AE AE upon AC. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. And angle 1 is equal to angle L, common angle. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. It means both the triangles are similar. So you can write triangle ADE is similar to triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Is it clear? Again see, AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC, and angle 1 is equal to angle A is equal to angle A. You can write the common angle. It means both the triangles are similar. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.